XiRepair is a leading mail-in service provider for cell phones, tablets, laptops, game consoles, and data recovery services. If you need your device repaired, you can get a free shipping label on our website by simply searching in the search bar for your device and filling out the form. In this example, I'm going to show you how that's done by let's assume that I have a PlayStation 5 that has a broken HDMI port. This is a common repair that we do. So the first thing that we're going to do is search the model of device that I have. So we're going to search for PlayStation 5, click PlayStation 5, and now that we're on the PlayStation 5 repair page, we're going to click Start Repair. I'm going to select HDMI port replacement because that's what's broken, that's what I need fixed. I'm going to click Submit, and now I'm going to insert my information. So I'm going to put first name, last name, I'm going to put my email address, and then I'm going to put my phone number. Now I'm going to click Submit. So we have 2 service locations in Montgomery, Alabama, and if you're near Montgomery, you can insert your zip code and it will actually give you the option for an in-store repair or a mail-in repair. So in this case, we're going to select mail-in repair because we want to get a free shipping label. So the next thing we're going to do is we only have one service location, so there's no need to click anything here except select this store. And then as you can see here, this is the price for our repair. So the HDMI port replacement on the PlayStation 5 is going to cost me $129 for that repair, which is very affordable compared to most service providers. So the next thing we're going to do is click Get a Free Label. So now we're going to insert our information. We're going to first type in our home address, or the address that you will be getting the device mailed back to. So you're going to insert the city, state, and zip code, and then you're going to scroll down and click Book Repair. This will then refresh the page, and a new page will populate where it says Print Shipping Label. So you can simply click Print Shipping Label, and a new page will pop open with your UPS shipping label. You can see here I have my information, John Doe, my phone number, and the address that I'll be shipping from and that the device should be shipped back to. And then I have here our service center where the device will be going to. This is a UPS shipping label. All of our labels are from UPS. So the next thing I'm going to simply click Ctrl on my keyboard, P, so Ctrl P at the same time, and I can simply print this off at the nearest printer. So if we click print here, this will actually print directly to my printer. And then I can attach this label to the outside of my shipping box. Now we don't need anything inside the box except the console itself. So for the PlayStation 5, all I need is the console itself. No power cables, no games, nothing. We have all of that to test. If you're mailing in a data recovery, you might want to attach your destination drive or the drive where the data will be going. Maybe you already have purchased a donor drive for us to use the parts from, or anything that you think is necessary to complete the repair, you can always add in the box. Just make sure that you pack it up safely and securely so that it's not damaged during shipment. As soon as we receive the package, we will contact you and give you a PayPal invoice to pay once the repair or data recovery is complete. And that's it. That's exactly how you get a free shipping label to send your device in to us. We hope you choose XiRepair, and we look forward to servicing you and your device. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to us by simply going to the contact page and filling out the form. Or you can always contact us during our business hours at 334-777-1234. Again, thank you for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day.